guys, this is Naaz Arora. So I am in Andaz, Delhi with Narcissist and I am pretty excited for the event. So the theme is classy black and gold. So I'm going to do gold accessories with this black outfit and with a touch of red. Well, this is my final look. I love the classic black eyes with the touch of red lips. It looks so beautiful in sunlight. If you want to learn this makeup look, please keep on watching and I think you're going to fall in love with this tutorial. So firstly, I'm applying these lenses from Swati Beauty. This is in the shade Honey. I am in love with this color. It absolutely suits my Indian jeans and I absolutely adore it. Next, what we are going to do is we are going to apply the MAC color corrector palette. This is in the shade medium too. So I'm just brightening up my eye area, and this is a mirror that I'm using. Basically, this is my Tarte palette with a huge mirror. Now I'm putting some compact on it, and now I'm taking out my partition to help my hairdresser to know where exactly I want my hair placement to be. I am wearing this fascinator after ages, so I thought I'll better dictate him and tell him where I exactly want my placement to be. So now getting back to the palette, fixing it up with some compact from Charlotte Tilbury, and I think I'm absolutely loving how this has turned out. Now after doing that, I'm using the Tarte palette. I'm using a very medium brown neutral shade to just create a crease, and this looks absolutely adorable. I'm just patting it lightly all over my eyelid because I don't want to play with a lot of colors. And ये brown shade से मेरा एक base set हो जाएगा बहुत beautifully, using a little bit of highlighter because I want my lips to be the showstopper. So now what I'm doing is I'm using this Smashbox illuminating primer. It's beautiful. It gives a very nice natural sheen to your face. So my eyes are just watering. Now what next I can do is I'm applying the Estee Lauder concealer in the shade Warm Natural. It's just to conceal my under eye area, and then I'm using a highlighter. That's it. No foundation, nothing as of now. Now I'm using the Clinique foundation to get a neutral base so that I can start with my now a little bit of highlighter from Huda Beauty. This one's my favorite highlighter, and also covering up for the discoloration with my orange corrector using the Huda Beauty powder under eye and the Huda Beauty blush in this beautiful pink tone. Next, I'm highlighting my inner corner, cleaning my eyes, filling my brows, using a lip liner from Huda Beauty again in rich brown, highlighting my collarbone and all of that. Now fixing my under eyes with a puff, finishing my under eye with a warm brown highlighter, doing my liner, of course the favorite part of my look, cleaning it up and fixing it again as usual, using my Bobbi Brown mascara to fix it all, completing my under eyes using a setting spray, and of course completing my hair. We're almost done with everything now. It's time for the final look before we complete the lip color. Let's go ahead. If you need any product details, please comment down below. So I already have my red nail paint on, and I'm going to wear the shade Cruella, which is 185 from the NARS high intensity lip pencil crayon collection. This is Power Matte, and this is something very good for this season. Look at this red color. It is a very perfect autumn red. Let me just show it to you how it looks. Oh my god, it's just glided on smoothly on my lips. Feels like butter, literally. Do you see the pigment payoff in one swipe? Beautiful. So I thought to keep a vintage look, and this you can see is pretty vintage. I could have easily gone for a blood red, but I preferred this because I felt that this color looks more vintage and goes very well with whatever I like styling and everything that I had on my mind, and it looks rather perfect. I really like how it's come across. We are still yet to complete the look. It's not 100% done, but I really wanted to apply the lip color to see how it looks and how it will look on camera. So I thought of quickly doing a review as well. This lip color in the shade Cruella, this crayon, is bomb.com. The color payoff is amazing. It's a one swipe apply pigment. Let's see how long it stays. I have almost 8 hours to go, and I would keep you updated on the same. See you soon.
Please.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I think this is done.
ठीक है प्लेसमेंट
Yes. Correct?
दिखाना से ठीक है
Looks good. और मेरे को लगता है इसके साथ गोल्डन ही इयररिंग्स बेटर लगेंगे कि पर्ल्स? गोल्डन बेटर लगेंगे ना, पर्ल्स बहुत बड़े बड़े लगेंगे. Finally, it's time to celebrate the 30 years of NARS. This is me at the event along with a few of my companions. This is the international trainer. Well, if you want to see more such tutorials, please don't forget to hit that like button, comment, share and subscribe. I will see you very soon. Mwah. Bye. Okay, quick update. The lipstick did not budge. You can literally see it. It's there in the flight also after 7 hours.